Hi class, and welcome to our first video homework for math. This is a title page, and it'll give you an idea of what to expect for the particular math video lesson that we have. Today it's viewing video lessons. Question that comes up is, so what are you required to do during the viewing of any of the math videos? Well, since we're exchanging traditional homework, which will be now done in the classroom, for viewing work done at home on a computer, requirements change just a bit. Is viewing the video all there is to the homework in our flipped classroom? Well, yes and no. Think of it as viewing plus. This means we'll need to take notes on whatever video that we're watching to help us remember the material for the next day as we participate in class. This leads us to our purpose. Our purpose is to take notes from videos in order to participate in the math lesson in class the next day. Now let me let you in on a powerful hint when watching this or any other of our videos, and that is use the pause and play feature to stop the video and finish your notes before moving to the next part of the video. Now, I won't always tell you when to pause or when to restart. It's going to be totally up to you. You're in charge. You'll know when to do that. And in particular, it's going to be when you need more time to write down notes, or you don't particularly understand what I had just said, so you're going to go back over it to see if you can catch it the second time. Now, what I want you to go ahead and do is open your composition books to the next available page. Write the date at the top and the words lesson purpose. Now, as I go through this process of those things which I want you to place on the page, you can, once again, pause me at any time in order to copy down the information you need. First of all, our lesson purpose today is, and I want you to copy this down, to take notes from videos in order to participate in the math lesson in class the next day. So go ahead and copy that down. And I'm going to introduce to you the other two elements. The next element that I want you to put in there is the example or examples. Usually I'll give you a string of 3 or 4 examples in class. Well, it's going to be the same sort of thing when I do it on video. You're going to write down example number 1, leave at least 2 lines of space in order to write down what I give you. Then example number 2, leave a couple lines there to write down the actual example. And then lesson number 3, and maybe even 4, leaving some additional lines for you to write that example. Lastly, you're going to either finish a problem, which I start with you, or you'll be able to ask a question of me. Most of the time, I foresee it right now as you finishing a problem that we start together on this video. But sometimes it will be a question that you get to write down that allows me to understand what you're not understanding. Lastly, here's the last hint, which is sort of like that first hint that I gave you. You can play this video again, any part of it or any parts of it that you didn't fully understand. If that doesn't help, you can always jot your question down for me to see the next day in class. Now, this is different from the hint at the beginning because you can play this video at any point. You may refer to this video days after the lesson. Maybe you want to study for a test or a quiz, or you need to retake a quiz or retake a test and you didn't do well on the problems that pertain to this particular lesson. Well, now you have the ability to review those concepts with me through these videos. Pretty cool, huh? Hope that helps, and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye.